এখন যাচ্ছি আমি আমার R15 বাইক ডেলিভারি নিতে। সো হিয়ার গোস ফর নাথিং।
Good afternoon and welcome back. Today I am back with another video. Guess what the video will be? Today it's something new, not about cars, not about travel. Today we are going to purchase a two-wheeler, and guess what is it? Let us first reach the showroom, and it's a bit secret. So I am on my way to purchase a new two-wheeler in our family, and this will be the first two-wheeler. So let's go and buy the two-wheeler.
এখন আমার R15 বাইকটা শোরুমের সামনে দেখুন, এটা হচ্ছে ঠাকুরপুকুর বেহালা ইয়ামাহা পল মোটরস। তো আমি আজকে ডেলিভারি নিতে গেছি আমার R15-এর। তো চলুন দেখুন। As you can see, this is my bike and Yamaha R15 V3 bike, and I'm Paul Automobiles that is in Behala Thakurpukur, and the sixth showroom price is 1,55,000 and this on road is 1,83,000. So it's a pretty good deal for these bucks. And today we are here to complete all the formalities and take this bike. Okay. So R15 is getting lifted by a very well platform, and this fine gentleman is helping in the process. So So the pre-delivery inspection is in process, and all the bolts and nuts are being fitted inside so as to complete the whole package. Everything is being kept in order. Since in this showroom fitting up all these things is prohibited,
The bike is being checked so that everything is okay or not. The horns, the battery has been connected, and it's being made ready for delivery. Everything is being checked so that everything is in order or not, and soon the bike will be ready for delivery. This is one of the oldest Yamaha RX100, for which it was very famous, you know. And this is the modern version R15. fitting the mirrors. For the number plate, it will take some time to arrive, so it is advisable to take the bike and wait for the number plate to arrive. And since the election process is going on in West Bengal, so it may take 10 to 15 days, maybe more, for the number plate to arrive. So we decided to take the bike delivery. This is the user manual. I always suggest everybody to go through the user manual before using any vehicle, any product, and I have practiced this procedure.
And this user manual is very thorough. It caters to almost every problem and almost every needs of the newcomer or the new user. তো এখানে বাইকটা অলরেডি প্রোভাইড করে দেওয়া হয়েছে। এখন আমার হাতে চাবি আছে আর এখানে আমাদের গাড়ি পার্ক করা আছে। সো আমরা এখন জাস্ট বেরোবো, ফর্মালিটিস লাস্ট কয়েকটা কমপ্লিট করবো, তারপর আমাদের টাইম হয়ে যায় বেরোনোর। পেট্রোল পাম্পে আমাদের হবে ফার্স্ট অবজেক্টিভ যাওয়া, ব্যাস।
Finally taking delivery. The motorcycle is ready now and soon we will take it home. Everything has been cleaned and the bike is almost ready for delivery.